Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm going to be planning out the week of July 31st through August 6th, and not gonna lie, it's kind of like a half plan with me, half back plan with me. Okay, so the kit I'm going to be using this week is kit 539 from Planner Kate. If you watched my Planner Kate haul, then you have already seen this sheet or this sticker kit. Actually, it's 535. Did I say 539? I just realized I have this sheet here that goes with a different kit. I have some of the journaling pieces with me. Not sure if I'm going to use those, but this kit is just so freaking pretty. Like, so freaking pretty. All right, so I'm just kind of spreading everything out around me because, oh my goodness, there's things everywhere. So let's start with the date strips. I've decided to switch to the date strips because I think that that's going to be a little bit easier in the hourly planner for me. You know, not 100% sure. So this past week has kind of just been like kicking my butt, which is why I can't seem to keep up with my filming schedule. And you know what? I've just kind of decided that I'm going to get a video up when I can get a video up, because life is just lifing right now. You know, we're still in that. We just moved. There's a lot of things to get done. We have, you know, it's a new house, but it's not perfect, right? Like, we recently had the unfortunate situation of our garbage disposal not being attached properly. And I happened to look under the kitchen sink and was like, I don't think that water is supposed to be there. And it was just like a tiny, like the tiniest of amounts. And so it didn't really feel like it was anything alarming at the time. But then our water alarm went off. And if you're not sure what that is, the alarm company that we go through, we signed up to have these little devices, like kind of near anywhere that there could possibly be like a water leak of sorts. So we have one under every sink and near our washer. Well, the little alarm went off just in time. It was like literally just a puddle that was like, I don't know, maybe 3-4 inches wide, and it reached the alarm. And it told us like, hey, there's something going on here. And I opened the cabinet, saw the water. We immediately shut off the sink and just decided to call the contractor that our builder said, you know, hey, if something goes kind of wonky, this is who you need to contact. And they were so responsive. It was a really, really great experience. You know, I always worry, like, we've purchased homes before in the past and you just never know how these things are going to go. And our builder was the type that just gave us all the phone numbers to call. That way we don't have to wait until they're in office hours, because of course these things don't happen on Monday through Friday 9 to 5 time. They happen on a Sunday. You know, when everyone's off and spending time with their families and things like that. So I was really, really thankful that they had given us that information to take care of everything. And they were there the next day and got it all fixed for us. Also, fun fact that we did not know, because while the plumber was at our house, I was like, could you take a look at our bathtub? Almost certain that that's not supposed to move, right? It's one of those like freestanding tub situations. It's the first time we've ever had anything like that. And I have some plants, because, you know, I'm a plant lady, on the window ledge on the other side of the tub. And I reached over the tub to go water the plants, and the entire tub just kind of shifted. And I was like, I very much, like the water under my sink, do not think that that's supposed to be happening. And again, the plumber was more than gracious, took a look at it, even though that wasn't part of the reason that we called. And he was like, oh, they were supposed to actually like caulk that in place. I'm not a plumber. I don't know the exact details, but he took care of that. Now, we couldn't use the tub for like, I think it was 12 or 18 hours, something like that. But it wasn't any inconvenience. Honestly, we hadn't used the tub. And if I'm being 100% honest, this tub looks uncomfortable as hell. Okay, so something new that I wanted to try with my last order of kits was trying the sidebar. little add-on. I think these are like $1.50 through Planner Kate, but I really like the look of these, just like that whole like put together look with the planner. So I was like, why not try it out? My only issue is that I like to cover up the calendar, and it's kind of hard to cover up the calendar in the planner because the lines don't go all the way up, and I need a line to tell me like where to put things. I mean, that's just where I'm at in life. So I'm really hoping that this spacing of all of this really does work out and I'm not having to lift these up over and over again. We will see. That's already off, but we'll just continue on with that theme. This is gonna bug me. Do you guys do sidebar kits? I don't know. I just felt like this was the thing to do. I'm going to have to move that top one because this is already not making a whole lot of sense. I feel like once I get this put down, you know what? Let's start from the bottom. Let's start from the bottom and then kind of try to work our way up. I'm also thinking of putting some washi in the middle of each one. See, that's the problem, is I'm trying to get too creative and there's not space for that. There's not space for that. But I also realized that there's not space for it because I took this washi all the way over here. So once again, I'm the problem. Okay, that's not horrible. It's not perfect, but hopefully you guys can't really tell what's going on there. Okay, so 4 things going on this week. It's just a whole lot of work. It's a whole lot of work. So that's really been what's been eating up a lot of my time. I will put some videos up. Let's see, Wednesday. Nope, this is probably gonna go up on Thursday. Will be a plan with me, and I'm just gonna put a little YouTube situation here and just put the plan with me. So I have a new role at work, and it is just like, I'm very excited for the opportunity, but I'm very much in the learning stages of everything. And you guys know how awkward that can be and time consuming. Like, you're constantly waiting for the next steps or to be shown the next steps, or you might not have access to something, that kind of thing. So that's kind of where I'm at. I still put my videos like all the way up here, even though they definitely do not go up quite that early anymore. Oh, there's a weekend sticker somewhere around here, I bet, and I'm completely forgetting about it. I want to use this Hello Weekend sticker, and I think we'll just have to bring this down. So that's where I'm at with that, and it's just kind of time consuming. And again, I work in my role, it supports a lot of locations across the country, so sometimes I work various hours. So that's just been kind of why I haven't been able to get content up as planned. Also, we live near family now, so it just kind of, that sort of stuff happens. I think that my mom is coming to visit us this Sunday, but I also think we moved it to next Sunday because we want to celebrate her birthday with her. Anywho, I want to add stickers for work, so I'm going to pop those in here. So one of the things too is that I changed my work hours, and I really do love that. And I am putting this down here at 7 o'clock on purpose because I kind of want to do like a little AM routine at the 6 o'clock mark. But I decided to shift my hours to 6 to 3 instead of 7 to 4. Like, any opportunity that I have to get off work earlier, like, I'm just going to take it. Like, that's where I'm at in life. I would much rather start my day earlier and get off of work earlier than start my day at a later time and work till 5 or 6 in the evening. That is just not... It's just not my vibe. And I do love that I have that flexibility, like with my work. I don't have like hardwired hours that I have to be in the office. You know, it just doesn't work like that. All right, I kind of want to use these little itty bitty flags right here for the AM routine. I realize they won't be the same at the bottom, but I really am just more focused on my AM routine right now. I think I mentioned that a couple of weeks ago, that I'm just that's the area or the time in my schedule that I'm trying to work on, especially with starting my mornings earlier. Like I will get up, have coffee, feed my dogs, maybe start a load of laundry, like that kind of thing in the morning. And those are really the habits that I'm trying to nurture. And it really truly is just Monday through Friday, because those are really the hours that those are the days of the week that I'm focusing on those routines. Okay, and then I think for Monday and Tuesday, I'm gonna do a few of the hourly checklists over here. Just to that's where I'm gonna put my to-dos since I work during the day. But I wanna put some to-dos over here. Do I also put to-dos in my daily planner? Absolutely, yes. Without a doubt. But I also like having them in multiple places. Like that just works for me. Also, I think I've shared this before too. I am like one planner moment away from franken-planning and like putting together the 7x9 daily with this 7x9 hourly, because that's just where my brain is. I also wanted to do a little sticker for National Planner Day, even though again, this was already a couple of days ago for me. I love National Planner Day. It's super fun. And I got to collaborate with a couple of my friends and do like a little cute like hi Barbie moment. And we did like a quick little reel together, and that was a lot of fun. Let's see, on Wednesday, I know that I had to film some really important content, which you guys will see in the next couple of days. I think I'll just put this little asterisk on let's do this let's do this little quarter box here, because I was able to get that quickly done during my lunch because I was on very limited time on Wednesday to get this done. And then on Wednesday, I also did go to urgent care. It's not how it sounds at all, but I really did just go because I still haven't been assigned a PCM, so I had to make an appointment with the local urgent care because I don't have a PCM just yet, and I had to get something taken care of. I hate to be super vague about it. It was nothing serious at all. I just needed to be seen. That is all, but I did get to take care of that yesterday, and I'm already feeling like so much better. On the road to feeling so much better. Okay. Wednesday is also a payday for us, so I'm just gonna put this cute little icon right up here. And I think I'm just not gonna have like a to-do list for Wednesday. That'll be perfectly fine. Now, here we are to Thursday, which is now we're all caught up to real time for me. And I am definitely going to put a to-do list here for Thursday. I gave myself a bunch of little tasks to do today so that we don't have to worry about them on the weekend. And I tend to do the same on Fridays as well. I will try to get very light cleaning and things like that done on Friday, usually either before my workday starts or right after my workday. And then I don't feel like I'm spending the weekend doing like all of this tidying up, like it's already done. So I don't know, that just tends to work for us. And I can't forget that on Wednesday is like a big laundry night for us because it piled up this week. I didn't do laundry like I wanted to on Sunday. And it just, I was like, where did all these clothes come from? But yeah, they were there and they needed to be done. So I literally am carrying over laundry from Wednesday into Thursday because I didn't finish what I wanted to get done, but that's okay. It's going to get done. I'll probably have some more to do on Friday and then again on Sunday because it's just never ending laundry here. Okay, so I know that I said I was going to do Friday Night Live on Friday. I'm still not 100% on that. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just needing a bit of a break from all that. I just don't feel completely settled here. I don't even know what I'm actually looking for, but I think I'm just gonna put this box over here on Thursday. So yeah, that's just kind of been where I'm at. I want to do the Friday Night Live, but I'm like, do I have to do the Friday Night Live? I've really just been loving spending time with my family and being closer to family and just embracing all of that. And I'm like at a complete loss as to what sticker I'm actually looking for. I think I want to do a movie night for Friday night. I don't know. Haven't got the slightest clue what we're gonna watch, but we're gonna watch something, that's for sure. All right, and then we will put a couple of to-do lists on Saturday. Definitely have some errands to go run on Saturday. We have a guest bathroom, which is like close to my office, that just has not been touched. I mean, there's like nothing in there, and it's a full bathroom, so it's not even like a half bath. There's a shower tub combination situation in there. I think I barely just put like hand soap and lotion in there, and I'm like, okay, with family coming to visit, I think that I need to at least put up a shower curtain and get some like, I don't know, just some like cutesy things in there so that the bathroom feels a little bit more complete instead of just the extra bathroom that no one ever uses, if that makes sense. So I think a trip to Target will be part of the plan for this weekend. And then I want to catch up on some planning and journaling because, as you can see, I am already a little bit behind. I'm going to catch up, I promise. I've really been enjoying spending some time each day in my Hobonichi cousin, where I've been just like journaling and things like that, and printing out a lot of photos and just spending time in there and doing the memory keeping and stuff that I want to get done. So that has been very enjoyable. I just noticed that there's this cute little icon for like a doctor's visit. So I think I'm gonna put that over here in the urgent care spot, which was awesome. Not that going to urgent care is awesome, but when I did go, there was an awesome doctor there who was like, if you need a recommendation for a PCM, this is who I would recommend. And that was like so awesome. He was like that he personally knew her, and you know, he got a little bit of my health history because obviously that's what they have to do when they see you. And he just felt like we would be a good fit. And I was like, that is just so kind. Like, I appreciated it so much. All right, then I'm gonna put like a little due today like header, and of course another to-do list for Sunday. Hopefully there's not too much to do on Sunday. We just got like a pellet grill situation and used it this past weekend. That was so fun. The ribs that we made were absolutely delicious, and I think I'm just gonna try to convince my husband to do that again, because that would be awesome. I'm gonna put this little planner thing right here. I'm just thinking of things as I'm putting them down. I want to do like a little weekly reset on Sunday. Just also make that a habit that I'd like to nurture, because I feel like if I set myself up for success on Sunday, then the week starts off really, really well. And yeah, just kind of need to nurture those habits. And I think I'll just put like a little important sticker, because that is important. Okay, so I also went and added a couple of boxes where I will put things for Julie's plans in here each day. And I'm just gonna quickly write those in. Okay, so I took a few minutes to sort of backfill the days that have already passed, because like I said, this is already like on Thursday, so there's definitely a little bit of back planning happening here, but this is how my planner looks for the week. Obviously, it'll get more filled in as the week progresses into the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me today. If you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.